going to be making a authentic family recipe that comes down from the Great Depression era. Hi, I'm Hartley the Hobo. Welcome to my hideaway. And today we're going to be making the home version of Scrapple. I'm going to give you this recipe exactly as I received it. We're going with 1.5 cups yellow cornmeal into a small bowl. We're going to mix the cornmeal with 1 cup of cold water. I would actually recommend 1 1/4 cups of each. Stir it up and make it into a paste. We're going to let that cornmeal absorb the water. And you'll notice here we've got about a cup of fine diced green pepper and fine diced onions. We're going to start heating up our pan. This is Griswold. You can watch the restoration video a couple of videos back. I'm going in with 1/2 pound each of ground buffalo and ground beef. If you don't have buffalo, bear's a real good substitute. Alright, we're going to saute that up, brown it. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon dried sage, 1/2 teaspoon chopped parsley, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. And you're going to need to add about 1/2 teaspoon or more of black pepper. We're going to transfer this over into a large pot, and we're going to add 2 cups water and 1 can of chicken stock. Bring it to a boil. Make sure your meat is very finely minced. And then we're going to add in the cornmeal mixture slowly. Stir it in so it doesn't clump up. And reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Put it in a 9x5x3 loaf pan. For ease, I've lined mine with plastic. That'll help us get it out in the morning. After all that, it's time for a nice, refreshing cup of tea. Good morning, fellow travelers. It's the next morning, and we're going to fry up some of that scrapple. Let's get that pan hot. Get our scrapple out. And it comes out real easy if you've lined with plastic. I'm going to slice it up about 1/3 inch thick. And I'm going to fry it in butter this morning. Bacon grease is preferred, but I didn't have any. Get a nice crispy crisp on there, get it out, and we're going to go in with 2 cackleberries to make a complete breakfast. And here's what she looks like. Now for the taste test. Gotta add a little bit of hot sauce to it, just because, and giving her a try. And yes, it is just exactly as I remember it. Happy hoboing!